Well, here's the short story. My keyboard does not have an expression wheel, and I do not want to buy an expression pedal, so I thought it would be really cool to change expression with a wave of my hand, just as a cartoon orchestra conductor. And here is how it works. And here is how I did it. First, you will need the following components: an Arduino Teensy 2.0, an electronic breadboard, connection cables, and an ultrasound sensor. If you want to get more sophisticated, a button and an LED to make it switch between channel volume and expression. This is how you need to connect the components to your Teensy 2.0. The idea is that the ultrasound sensor will measure the distance between your hand and the sensor, translate it into a value between 0 and 127 for the Midi Expression parameter, and feed it to your computer through the Midi Expression channel. It is simple, really. Here's the code that you need. I also placed it on a link in the information section of this video. Connect the Teensy with all the components to your computer, load the program into the Teensy, select it as MIDI mode so it gets recognized as a MIDI device. Now open your sequencer or DAW and test it. Alternatively, you can use the instructions MIDI X and MIDI Y to feed music tones so you can create your own use the force music instrument. If you like this video, please send it to your friends and subscribe to my channel, or drop me a comment to let me know if you want to see other do-it-yourself videos to make cool and inexpensive MIDI devices.